My name is Filippo Grazioli, and I work as a research engineer at NEC Laboratories Europe in the Biomedical AI team. In our team, we focus on biomedical problems, and we solve them using machine learning. We adopt relational learning, natural language processing, information theory to tackle these challenges in the biomedical domain. In particular, I focus on immuno-oncology and neoantigen cancer vaccines. Machine learning plays an extremely important role in the development of personalized therapeutic cancer vaccines. We use it to predict the outcome of biochemical processes which happen within and outside of the cancer cells. Operating tests for observing the outcome of such biochemical processes in a wet lab would require an enormous amount of time and money. So essentially, machine learning really cuts the time and the cost required for developing such therapies, which for patients who have cancer is extremely important because you want to develop a therapy as quickly as possible, and of course as precisely as possible. So the field of therapeutic cancer vaccines nowadays doesn't really have a status quo. The field is relatively recent and various research directions are being explored nowadays. Here at NEC Laboratories Europe, we have a deep knowledge of machine learning, and we're using it to develop a new approach in developing these sort of therapies, which combines machine learning with simulations. Our algorithms are already being applied in phase 1 clinical trials. We are cooperating with a company named TrustGene, with whom we are running these trials, and we've already observed positive response in several patients. So when it comes to the algorithms that we use, one core idea is to combine data-driven methods based on machine learning to other sort of simulations that are based on our a priori knowledge of how biology works. So essentially, it really breaks down to combining machine learning to simulation. At the same time, here at NEC Laboratories Europe, we have a broad knowledge of relational learning and geometric deep learning. So we really embedded the capacity to learn from networks and graphs in our vaccine design pipelines.
Orchestrating a brighter world. NEC.